Guys, hi, what's up? Welcome Superstar on Anupma's Lab Show. So we have beautiful Digangna Suryavanshi.
Hello everyone.
So they are already clapping and saying hi to you.
Hi.
आपको पता चल गया that you are this born talented girl and you want to be actress. Then how journey started?
I started acting when I was 7. I did my first show with Balaji. That was Kya Hansa Kya Hakikat. So that was an episode 8 and I did acting for a little while. But as a kid, I was actually, even then I was a lot into singing and writing. So I sing and I write. And
yeah, actually, तभी मैं कहूँ कुछ लोग क्यों लिख रहे थे ask her to sing.
Oh.
And guys, she's a writer also. Would you like to talk about your book?
Yes, of course.
So
I need to tell you that the second edition of my novel is out, and this is the first time I'm revealing the cover. And 1, 2, 3, there you go.
I just loved it. इसका नाम है Nixie the Mermaid and the power of love. ये जो नीचे की एक line है ना, it's like it speaks about the book. See, yes. Beautiful cover. I just love the cover.
Thank
it's
you.
just so beautiful. लंबे बालों का राज बताओ ना निकी.
हाय अब तो मैंने लंबे बाल काट लिए.
तो राज भी चला.
नहीं राज मैं बता सकती हूँ. मैं घी लगाती हूँ बालों पे.
Oh, I never heard that.
Yeah, so that's like regularly obviously नहीं लगा पाती हूँ. But ना मैं कभी स्पा जाती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा, ना मैं ट्रीटमेंट्स में बिलीव करती हूँ और ना ही मैं बहुत प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करती हूँ.
देसी घी या डालडा घी?
देसी घी.
गाय का या भैंस का भी पूछे क्या?
नहीं, देसी घी, गाय का घी, और अगर आप उसको हीट करके लगाएं तो बहुत अच्छा है.
Bollywood newcomer you would wanna work with?
Bollywood newcomer. How will I know a newcomer was coming up? But yeah, I recently, like even the young talents, Varun Dhawan and Ranveer Singh and everybody, I think they're doing pretty good. Pulkit Samrat for that matter, everyone.
He's cute also.
Yeah, they're doing a very good job.
What's your fitness mantra?
One, I don't use a lot of products. So even the makeup that I use is like, it's very soft, it's very light. You don't feel like I've put makeup.
What do you want to say about Bigg Boss?
I have got a lot of respect for that show right now.
Yeah.
That is because I think Bigg Boss is one place where you get to know yourself as a better human being, or as a human being, I'd say. मैं अच्छी cook Bigg Boss के बदौलत हूँ. मैंने उसके पहले चाय भी नहीं बनाई थी. मेरे घर में मेरे लिए किचन मैन था. मुझे कभी कुछ कुक करने नहीं दिया. So maximum जो मैंने Bigg Boss में जाने से पहले बनाया था वो डोसा कभी-कभी, because मुझे वो खुद ऐसे डालना बहुत पसंद है. तो वो मस्ती में 1-2 बार कर लिया है ना, फ्लिप फ्लॉप करने के लिए. और honestly अपने जुगाड़ के लिए मुझे सिर्फ सैंडविच बनाना आता है. स्टोर में कॉल करो, वेजिटेबल और ब्रेड मंगाओ, सैंडविच बनाओ, पेट भर जाएगा, बाद में पेरेंट्स आएंगे तो खाने में क्या है.
You know how this industry works. You keep on meeting a lot of negative people. How you maintain this positivity?
Most people have their own different ideologies, right?
Yeah.
And in this industry, you're always taken as a more grown person in a little negative way, to be very honest. People get that you're very nice after they speak to you or they get to know you as a human being. But before that, everyone wants to tackle you the same way. But I think there is a line that I know to draw that, you know what, I am really like that and I will want to stick. I think your work talks louder than your words can.
She has a world record. Up please बताइए इसके बारे में.
So this is the India World Records, which says, with the record is about that I am the only actress. I've been working for 11 years now, and I've never used artificial tears, which means no glycerin, no Dhupanjan, no eye cool, no nothing. So every time you see me cry, or you see my moist eyes, I actually cry. And it's not that I have to be, I'm not a method actor. So I cannot be like in the mood and thinking about it. So I'm like, hey, what's up, and we're doing a very intense scene. My director's like, now just 2 minutes, are you done with the lines? I was like, yeah, let's do. And my clothes is ready and the master is happening. It takes me 10 seconds to switch my mood and get tears out. So literally on my sets, they play this party songs and ask me to cry because it just became a joke on the set. So like, इसकी आँखों में टैगर है, right वाला काम on करो, left वाला. I'm like, dude, what is happening?
You ever had a crush? And she writes a book, The Power of Love. The love, okay, she is born with everything, okay.
Oh my gosh, no, I'll tell you why I didn't have a crush. I'll be very honest on this. say you're a boy. Okay.
Yeah, I'm a boy. I'm always a boy on my beamer.
Alright, you go like, hey, how are you? I go like, yeah, he looks nice. He's a nice person. Every time I think like that about someone, they just prove me wrong the very next second.
अच्छे लड़कों कहाँ हो तुम? Okay.
Literally, my mom was like, when is my daughter going to have a boyfriend? You're 18. I was like, are you saying that to me? How she even say that to me?
आपको अगर कोई लड़का impress करना चाहता है तो 3 must-haves of that guy.
You need to be freaking genuine. Because you know how dog can smell things and smell
She's dangerous actually.
So you can't. My mom was like, my daughter will not have a boyfriend. सब लोग शादी कर लेंगे, तुम क्या करोगे? I don't know, I'm 18. I'm just reminding you. So yeah, you need to be freaking genuine. One.
Yeah.
You need to be intelligent so that I can have a good conversation. I cannot tolerate dumb people.
Yeah, mostly good guys turns you out with the conversation.
Yeah, they want to talk about, so, which party, what kind of parties do you like?
Yeah.
How long can I talk about a stupid party, dude? How long can I talk about a stupid party?
I can't agree more. It's like so perfect answer.
It's like, you can talk about who you are and what you've done and your past and what you look for. You need to be really hardworking.
Yeah.
I like and I appreciate people who are, I get this respect maybe because I am really hardworking and I believe in workaholism.
तो इससे पहले कि हम बाय बोले आपको गाइस, दो चीजें हैं. एक तो सबसे पहले आपके लिए हम ये गिफ्ट लेके आए हैं.
Oh, thank you. Oh, Superstars on Anna's Love Show. Dear Diganta Suribanshi, you were beautiful, real, and dignified. It was our pleasure to have you on our show. Hashtag Superstars on ALS. Thank you for giving our viewers a chance for live interaction. Thank you for entertaining us with your great work. Be the same and keep up the good work. Regards, Alokma. Hashtag Superstars on ALS. Hashtag fame. Nothing could have been better than this. Thank you so much for acknowledging. Nothing could have been better than this. No present.
और
I have told you.
बाय बोलने से पहले आपको किसी से मिलवाना चाहती हूँ. Please allow me कि मैं निदामिना जी की मामा से, जिनको मैं पर्सनली बहुत एडमायर करती हूँ, मैं उनको यहाँ पे बुलाना चाहती हूँ. आंटी छुट्टी से.
Oh, Mama. That's my mama.
मेरा picture. Thank you. Thank you.
बस इसी के लिए बुलाया था मैंने. 18 years की आपकी डॉटर में इतनी सक्सेसफुल है. She's grounded, she's positive, she's author, she's singer. इसके बारे में आप.
मेरी माँ हमेशा कहती हैं कि अगर आपने कुछ अच्छा किया है तो भगवान उसका जरूर फल देते हैं, अच्छा या बुरा. शायद मैंने कभी कुछ अच्छा किया होगा जो ये पैदा हुई. भगवान की देन है, ये भगवान का प्यार है. दूसरी चीज, सारे पेरेंट्स के लिए बस एक ही चीज, जब बच्चा छोटा होता है, वो छोटी होती है तो बच्चों के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन होते हैं, क्योंकि जब वो आते हैं तो बहुत सारी चीजें देखते हैं. अगर आप उनको साइकोलॉजिकली सेटिस्फाइड नहीं करेंगे तो वो क्वेश्चन उनके दिमाग में रह जाएंगे और वो किसी और से गलत सीखेंगे.
करेक्ट.
तो बेटर है आप अपने बच्चे को वैसे समझाओ. आप क्या है, आपकी फैमिली क्या है, आपका फैमिली का कल्चर क्या है, उसको पता होना जरूरी है.
So beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for coming and joining in and giving us so much love.
Thank you so much for having me. You guys were adorable and thank you.
Thank you दिगांगा को इतना प्यार देने के लिए. Thank you.
Okay guys, we're going.